Magandang hapon po ng October 19, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 19, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 19, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, October 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for October 19, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.